Tube. We got 2 packages in. Dan the Barber, by the way. 2 packages in from raydabarber7 envelope. And in this box. The envelope box. Open up the envelope first. MD Guardian 2-hole blade. It's for the a fade blade. Yeah, for like the 5-star senior super taper magic clip. Whoa, MD. Thank you, Rayda Barber. Nice. Here's the bottle right there. Okay. Put it inside the box that has drawings on it. And it was really fast. It came in like 2 days. She told me she was going to send it Wednesday. I got Thursday. On Friday. It arrived on our 4th box. And this $90. Got this bar. Let's see what it is. It says Marby. Is a barbershop brush. Cool, nice. I was just about to buy one of these. It's a barbershop jar. The hair dye. I'll probably put some alcohol or something in it. Then she hooked up this Remington shaver. Screen popped up. Oh, I do not know how to enter this. Get me out. James, go play with Pookie. Huh? Yes.
Sit down.
Not sure how this works.
Here, you want the chocolate?
Wow. I'm not sure how this works. Here's the charger for this. Just some Nike stuff. I think the brother's still in the box. Hope I'm not missing a piece. That part goes on there. Nope. Not on right now. Plug it up. Excuse me, I'm burning. here. Not turning on. Not turning on. And let's back it up. Well, she got me, hooked me up with a, the MD 2-hole Guardian fade blade, a Remington screensaver, barber side jar, and this little hair dye thing. Probably gonna put it up so there's a rating. And by the way, this also cost, this right here was $1.95. $1.95. This right here was $15.75. So anyway, the package cost money. So you gotta look at that stuff too. Thank you, Ray. I really appreciate it. I won't let you down because I see you kind of investing in me, being a barber. All right. Well, thank you.